الله وبركاته. عدنا لنلتقي في جروب H2SO4. جروب H2SO4 conc hot H2SO4 include 4 anions: chloride, bromide, iodide, and nitrate. How we can differentiate between them? We must notice that chloride, bromide, iodide, they are from same group. They called halogens. Chloride, bromide, iodide. Group 7A in periodic table. So they have graduated in their properties. They have same properties. And now we will differentiate between them by take small amount of sodium chloride, and the main agent is H2SO4. We must concentrate it for the results and record our observation. Firstly, we will add sulfuric acid, conc hot sulfuric acid, to chloride, salt, sodium chloride. It produces a gas. This gas is HCl. To detect the presence of gas by using ammonia. So it will form white fumes. White fumes of ammonium chloride will form as we see HCl gas evolved and ammonia with HCl formed ammonium chloride. HCl white fumes appears. That is the first experiment for HCl. Second experiment with bromide, salt of bromide. We will notice that it will form HBr gas, which react with strong oxidizing agent H2SO4 and formed brown fumes. Brown fumes, and we can test it by paper weighted with starch. It will change into yellow to detect the presence of HBr. We can get another salt of bromide, more pure, and add for it sulfuric acid. H2SO4 paper weighted with starch, which change into yellow color. So this anion is bromide. The third one is iodide. We add for it H2SO4, the main agent. It will form violet vapor of iodine. So this group includes chloride, bromide, iodide. By adding conc H2SO4 as the main experiment for this group, with chloride it will produce HCl. HCl we can detect it by using ammonia. It formed white fumes from ammonium chloride. Bromide produce HBr. HBr, we can detect it due to the presence of H2SO4. H2SO4 is a strong oxidizing agent, so it formed Br2, reddish orange brown fumes or red brown fumes. Iodide formed HI, as we see, which react with sulfuric acid in the tube and produce iodine with violet vapor. This is the first experiment to differentiate between them. To make an confirmatory test between them, we can take a solution from each salt and add for it silver nitrate and record our observation. The first one is chloride and make from it solution, sodium chloride solution, number 1. Number 2, bromide. We get a salt of bromide and add for it silver nitrate. Bromide solution and add for it silver nitrate. The third one is iodide. Get some salt of iodide and make from it a solution and add for it silver nitrate. The three salts arranged: chloride, bromide, and iodide. We add for each of them silver nitrate as a confirmatory test. The first one, chloride, formed white precipitate. It is very clear. White precipitate from AgCl. The first one. Second one, we add silver nitrate. It will produce yellowish white precipitate. It appears clearly. The third one, if we add silver nitrate, it will produce yellow precipitate. The three experiments are very clear and very proving the presence of chloride, bromide, and iodide. The first one, white precipitate. Second one, yellowish white. The third one is yellow precipitate. They are gradually in their colors because they are found in same group, group 70. The last one in this group is nitrate. Nitrate, we can get sodium nitrate and add for it sulfuric acid, conc, hot sulfuric acid, H2SO4. It produces brown fumes of NO2, increase with adding piece of copper. It produces and the confirmatory test for the nitrate group is called brown ring test. Brown ring test, formation of brown ring and I am very sorry because we haven't iron 2 sulfate. That is the idea of the experiment. It will form FeSO4 dot NO, and it appears as a ring between the two surfaces, between the separated surface of the solution. This is the second group, conc H2SO4, include chloride, bromide, iodide, and nitrate. The main agent is conc H2SO4. The confirmatory test for chloride, bromide, iodide